it is the last weekend, not weekend, but last week of duck season here in Arkansas. Our aunt and uncles and go kill a few ducks. We have a spot with a slough. Looks nice and stuff. There's a freaking buzzard like 2 feet off the ground. It just gliding there. I'm not lying, dude. Hold on. Anyways, we're gonna go down there and kill a few, try to see if we can kill a few ducks and stuff. It's not like the best hole in the world or nothing, but our cousins are coming down. Gonna have a great time. We're probably gonna go crow hunting, rabbit hunting, you know, just anything that's legal to shoot. Yeah, we're just gonna have a blast with go shoot some ducks. But we'll catch y'all when we get down to the spot, or because I'm already here. But I'll catch y'all when we get down to the spot in the morning. But we'll see y'all.
Where's it coming in on the left? Right above the boat. Right there, right there.
No, it's fine. Well, too high. Ooh, there's a hole, gotta be. Nope.
Look, oh my God, you see that? Dude, he did it perfect. He's on this side too.
Hey! He missed it, didn't he?
I know there's more mallards around here.
But one day we spooked up a buck.
They're not gonna be here for very long. Hey, just a little bit better camera quality. Stubby little fat dog.
I didn't really talk that much in the video, but we killed 6 wood ducks and 1 mallard. were flying around everywhere this morning. It was more than I would have thought that would have came in. But I'm headed down there, back down there right now to fix up a blind and stuff for Jesus. Well, what I was saying was fix the blind, and we're gonna kill them probably tomorrow morning. We're gonna go back down there tomorrow morning and shoot some more. But this morning was pretty good, so that's all I could ask for. Sky busted one. First video y'all seen how Sky busted one. And my cousin, he shot some. I didn't get two of mine. I limited out on woodies today. Seth, he had two, and my brother, I think he had one or two. And my other cousin shot that mallard. There was another group of three that come in. We were trying to move spots, and a group of three just started swooping in, and I turned around there and just absolutely pumped one. Made that sucker fold. There was another group of like 5 wood ducks come in. I smacked my third one from there. That was a hen, but it was a good morning. It was a good morning. We're gonna try to do it again tomorrow morning. So I'm see y'all when we probably tomorrow morning. All right. It is day 2 of the last weekend of duck season in Arkansas. I forgot the blind bag and my waders, so I had to drive all the way back up to my aunt and uncle's to get it. But I'm headed back down there to the slough where my cousin and my brother's at right now. And we're gonna try to slay them again like we did yesterday morning. But I'm gonna talk to y'all later when we get down there to the blind.
Shoot one.
What was that, mallard?
Did you hit him? Get back down.
Justin, get back down. It's circling back behind us. I see him.
Did I go down off him?
Oh, they're still near the barrel. Shoot these. That was a dude.
I can hear him. Two. He's a 4, 5 on the leg. They really want down another hole. Really, really bad. They what?
Right here, right in front of us.
other 4.
In front of us.
Did I?
Yeah. You gonna keep that alive?
Shoot it.
We can chase it down. It's not going
You shooting?
Shoot it.
No. I'll go
No,
ring its neck. You
shoot
want me to
it.
ring its neck?
Yeah.
Got one, baby.
And the other one's over there somewhere.
Left, left, left. Oh! Dude, there's a shit ton of them right there.
Yeah. Coming over you, Justin. To the right.
Find it. Look at that. Look at that.
Look at that thing. Freaking sky busters, baby.
It's pretty bandit.
Is it?
I don't know.
Nope. No bands.
What do you want, baby? Tough.
Alright, well, that last clip y'all probably just seen, we spooked up a group of wood ducks, and I shot at one, missed it, then turned around and shot at another one. This bad boy right here, y'all just seen. That sucker, well, how far y'all think that was?
Probably, from you, probably like 40 yards.
It was
Max.
crazy far.
It was out there.
Oh, yeah. Well, that duck was pretty far, but, you know, my cameraman over here, Seth, didn't really get that on video. I looked at the footage again, and it's in the lower left corner of it, so if y'all want to rewind that thing, y'all can. You just see it folding down. But we're going to try to sit it out a little bit longer, try to get some more ducks in here, and I'll let y'all know what happens or what goes down, but we'll see y'all. Do this one. Got 3 for the day.
He shot all of them.
Yeah, this boy right here shot 2, 3. No, you shot 3 because we couldn't find one at the thing. But I shot this one right here. Right there, boy. This boy can't even hit a duck. We all can't hit a geese. Yeah, we shot 2 geese at the. We shot at 2 geese and didn't get on film or hit one. Well, we hit one, just didn't die.
Did the crip walk all the way?
Yeah, the crip walked all the way
Yonder.
that way. That will do it for this last week of duck season for in Arkansas for us. We had a pretty good 2 days here at my aunt and uncle's. We killed 7, 1 mallard, and today we killed 4. Just couldn't find one. But I had a blast with my cousin. I got a dog right here that likes carrying up the leftover ducks and just sitting there just chewing on it. I opened the door to get all my stuff ready to put in the truck, and there was a dead duck on my blind bag with all my shells and stuff and chokes sprawled out across the porch because that dog right there got into it. So that was fun. Had to pick that up this week, and y'all stay tuned for another video, and we'll catch y'all later.